Good morning, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. Let me share the screen. File, open folder. Good. So we'll see where we are. Oh, we started our main project, right? Where are we in this main project? We don't know only this much. Okay, we did this much, right? Online, you all remembered, ma, how we did this? Online, do you all remembered how we did this? Till now? Yeah. Till now, does anyone have any questions, sir? Till now, does anyone have any questions, sir? We'll just make it more beautiful today. Okay. Mm, go here. Okay. Actually, I actually always confused in units. Okay. This is the interesting point. Listen to me, ma. To all the people, I'm saying it. If you are confusing about units, ma, I will give you one more time a quick glance. Units are the most important part. First one, pixel. Px means pixels. Each and every dot is one pixel. Pixels are the smallest unit. But the problem is, if I give 100 pixel, imagine this is some kind of 200 pixel. This will be more than 200 actually. But if I give it something like 200 pixel, it is okay now. But when I go to the small devices, my phone screen will be only this much, right or not? In this, if this is only this much, will it be good? No. I want it to be more smaller. Imagine I give this much big image, and this image will not look good only in my phone, right? That is the problem with pixels. Pixels will not get adjusted with the device, but your design should get adjusted into the device. Why? Because your website should be seen in all devices, which is also called responsiveness, right, ma? Which we write it media queries. Nice. Now, next one. Instead of pixels, can we use any another thing? Yes, we can use REM. EM is the best tool if I have to suggest it. EM depends on parent. EM depends on parent. What is the parent size? Parent font size. It depends on parent's font size. Only parent's font size only it will depend. Parent font size is 10 pixel. If you give 1 EM is equals to one time of parent font size. One time of parent's font size. If I give a parent's font size 12 pixel, if I give child 1 EM, then child size also will become 12 pixel. If I give 2 EM, automatically it will become 2 into 12, which is 24 pixel. Depends on parent. Then what is the advantage, sir? Advantage is, imagine I gave this one parent is there. I gave this image size based on parent size. Whenever I go to mobile phone, parent size will decrease na. automatically image size also will be decreased. You got my point, ma? Yeah. What about REM, sir? REM is used for root enumerated value. That means whatever the REM value is there, REM values are used for 16 pixel. 1 REM means 16 pixel. What is the 1 REM, sir? Why? What is the advantage? Advantage is when you go for smaller devices, body का font size automatically change होता. 12 pixel ऐसा होता. Then automatically REM also will change. Doubt? Most beautiful ones are VH and VW. If I use VH, automatically visible height, total height, how much you are seeing it. VW, total width, how much you are seeing it. You can able to understand it. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear, sir? Yes. I'm not saying it like today you start and today only you will become master. No. वो थोड़ा time रहता. But it depends on practice. When you do it, the initial practice, ma, 100% you will get it. Let me start it here. Now, this one is looking okay, but I want it to be centered. Go here, the banner. Banner, 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 banner. There is no banner on. Banner is here. Banner ka height. Banner ka height is calculate 100% minus 100 pixel. It's not getting 100 VH. What is this calculate? Is calculate will only calculate the height. Total height I want 100 VH. In that I just want to remove some 200 pixel and then I want to give to full height. But it's not working. Let me give it 80 VH. Okay. Now it's correct only. But why the image is not coming down? Go here. Image is on right side. Image is on right side. But it should come down now. Right click, inspect. Now you can see this. But image is not coming down. Width is having it full. Then you can say it here. Display flux. Align items. Center. It is coming correct. So I will just change it, sir, to the right side. If you want to test something, ma, please test it in the browser. And if it is working in the browser, automatically you can try it on your own, right? Display flux. Justify. No, justify means horizontal here. बराबर आ जाता. Not bad actually. No. You didn't understand the logic. The point is, right side, this is all one box, right? In this box, image is here. I want this image to be centered. That is why I gave display flux line item center. Clear? It will not work. It will not work. Now, any more doubts? Now, there is a website called one one page love. If you go to the site one page love, if you go to the site one page love also give you inspiration sites. Basically, if you remember, I told you for inspiration something like dribble and all that. Same way, one page love also will be there, but one page love will give you only single page templates. We also thought to build single page template na, so we can check it here. Some kind of nice single page templates. The reason I came to this particular site is not for inspiration only. I just wanna take it someone's nice background. Okay, this is not bad actually. I just wanna steal their background. That's why I just came here. Take it their background, take it their link, copy it. Arams. Now go here, go to your body, heights, 100 VH. Or I think let's give this banner only height 100 VH and this header background transparent. When I give background transparent, it would look correct. Then I will give it here something background URL. Want it for whole page. I'm not asking you to take it someone's background, but you can try it if you want. Height 100 VH. Any doubts, ma? Online, any questions, sir? The site name is One Page Love. You go to the site, beautiful pages will be there. Someone will design it. Listen, this designing will take it so much time. I'm not saying it like it's not there. For example, take this. Someone did this site called Granola. Nice. Now, what they did is they used radial gradient. You know that radial gradient means center से आ जाता है. देखो center से green है. Slowly they are fading into light blue and fade away to white. And I can also do that, but it takes a lot of time for me for to figure it out that gradient. Instead, I will just right click. I will just take their gradient code and I will copy it. Then I may change the colors. Are you getting my point, ma? Okay. Slowly by experimenting it 2-3 times, you will get it your own site also. So here, if you observe carefully, somewhere you will find that gradient. Who gave this gradient color to this section? No. देखो, this is the gradient. You can even go to the site. You can even say this gradient. Believe me, in reality, people will not copy from someone with you have to make it your own, and designers will give you that files. Any doubts, ma? And I will change wherever the green is there. I will change that to my purple. Any doubts are there? Any doubts are there, ma, online? Interesting point is if someone sees this website also, they will not understand we steal from here. No. Are you getting my point, ma? Just try it if you want it. Okay. That will be easy tip. Now go here. It looks cool and smooth, according to me. Go here, buttons, left, right, buttons, class name. Go here, down, down, down. Two buttons are there, na? Those two buttons, Nishawala. Those two buttons, sir, I know that the two buttons are side by side, but even though they are side by side, always make them flux. Why? If I go to small device, imagine the buttons are bigger. I want them not side by side, one after the another. In small device also, they will be side by side only, na? I want them one after the another. How can I make it directly one after the another? But if it is already display flux, I can change the direction directly, right? So that's why always remember, if you know flux and grid, 90% side ho jata. Okay. Remaining things are like this makeup kind of gradients or kind of transitions, nice effects. I can put some nice animations also at the end. I will try. I will show it to you. Just kind of makeup only. This is all. Now display flux, some kind of gap, 20 pixel. As I told you earlier, sir, front-end developer is not only making the great logic in the website, but making the website beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. Okay. And background color, color, background color, white, padding, some kind of 50 top, left and right, 20, how they are looking. Huh? Oh, sorry, not at all good. Reverse sighted, not bad. Now, color and border radius, 20 pixel. Now, one more thing. See this one. There in design pattern, there is one logic called mono problem, monochromatic problems. Monochromatic problem means human eye does not like any kind of design which is looking identical side by side. If two devices are side by side identical, people will not like it. See this. Here background color white, here also background color white. The two things, it looks normal to the human eye. If I change one to the another background color, one to the normal color, at least one color changes, then it will look something different to the human eye. Okay, that's how the perception of humans works. That is monochromatic problem. Designers will not do that. That's why you see any design, they will not keep it mostly the side by side something kind of difference. Are you getting my point, ma? You will see cards or something kind of in your websites. If I have to show it to you here also, see these two things, they can keep it exactly same size. Why did they put it in one is in smaller, one is somewhat bigger? To show the difference. Actually, both are same cards, right? Now, see now, they put it this one in a different gradient, this one in a different gradient. Are you getting my point, ma? People use this kind of techniques always to make it something kind of cool look. Is it clear, sir? Did you all understand, ma? If not, let me know. I will let you know. Yes. Now, good. Go here. I want only first button to have different color. How do you give only first button to have different color? Inside the buttons, I have first button, which is nth child 1. Then only first button will be selected, sir. This first button will have background color. Just logic. Where primary color, not good. Color, white. It's kind of more. Mm, something like opacity 0.5. 7, 8. And this one, this normal buttons will have border 1 pixel, solid, where any doubt, sir? Online, any doubts here? Online or offline? Can we move to the next section, sir? Over 4. We can do that. Huh. Over drop downs? No. No, we will do it on our own only. It takes time. We have something called Bootstrap. Bootstrap will give you directly the code. Normal CSS will take time. You you can make it hover like in Bootstrap drop down. No, I don't think so. What will happen is Bootstrap, some class name will be there, na? We will stop that class name as display none, but whenever you put it hover, we can make it display block. So that way you can do it. Next one, sir. Sir, next section I want it in my website is about. Go here. H2 about class section title, and I will give another section name with an ID about. Same way, my projects, and uh, projects contact. In the footer, this site belongs to and copyright XYZ. XYZ. You can put your name instead of XYZ 2025. Now, in the about section, now you can see different about sections and you can able to understand it. Like what about section you can keep it, sir. You can keep it different about sections now. Now, I am going to keep an about section which is simple. I will write it about here. Okay. And left side, I can put it one picture of mine. And right side, I will write it about it. Is it clear, ma? Any doubts? Any doubts here? No. Go here. I can say div here, div dot about quick plus div dot about description. Inside the about pic, I will write an image. I can just add a pic. Just go here, developer, try. Right click. Or I can use everywhere 3D also like the same thing. Like these images, where did I get this in free pick, na? Oh, I did it with the AI one. Okay, that will be difficult then. Again, I have to go to ideogram. The ideogram will say wait for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. But try it, sir. You can bring it. You can wait 2 minutes and bring it up. कुछ नहीं होता. Try to use the AI, but understand it. Just use it. Never use it to, make it something kind of shitty programs. Don't use it to do the programs. Do it to understand the programs. That way you can become better programmer. You all will have one thought. Start implementing that thought with that. ChatGPT is not for programming. ChatGPT is for brainstorming, basically. You can just start, it will tell you nice ways to think. Okay. Now, go here, slash assets, pick image. Now description, lorem 50. Now go here, about, hash about, display flux, and where is this banner? If you remember, I put banner, margin width and max width, margin and max width. To make it center, na? Instead of keeping it in banner, I will keep it in section. Why? Because every section automatically it will become. I don't need to write it for about again. I don't need to write it for contact again. I don't need to write it for one more section again. Now here, I just put it for about display flux and justify content, center, gap, some 30 pixels. Next, you can see this actually. This gradient is actually coming it in everywhere. We should think about it. If I remove this 100 VH now, I think it will be removed. Where is this body ka 100 VH? But it will become brighter. Mm-hmm. Background. Make it the background attachment, background attachment, background repeat, no repeats, background position, center, it's not repeating, background size, cover, background attachment, fixed. Can you see this? You can see that blue color wala scrolling. Usually people use this effect, this attachment fixed one effect. People use it in something called parallax effect. Have you guys ever heard of parallax websites? This is one way of modern websites called parallax websites. I will show you in one page only some nice parallax sites. Parallax. Why it is not coming? Hmm. Parallax scrolling. Let me open any one site like go with this. Now, if I open this odoo's.live, when I scroll is okay. It's not exactly parallax actually. When I scroll, no, parallax actually will give you some this effect. This is parallax effect. When you are scrolling, can you see this? They are moving. Actually, those things are called parallax. Kind of, they will give you kind of sticky. I will directly show it. Parallax sites examples. Uh, some kind of parallax is one of the nice way to make your website something cool. I told you in the first day only. The more you explore, the more nice you can make it. Okay. Most people will not explore more. They will just go with whatever the simple things only. I want you to explore more so that you will write it more. I hope this one will give you nice. Can you see this mountain one? Can you see this forest one? Now go down. It is giving some kind of rotation one. Parallax one will give you so many kind of thoughts. Whenever you are scrolling the page, something background get fixed. Okay. or the background will get some kind of adjustments. Those kind of things are all actually parallax only. People will get it like background is moving, but actually the background always stays same, okay, in different modes. AOA? No, 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 no. AOS library is for animate on scroll. Animate on scroll will scroll the elements, not the background. Parallax effect will give. Can you no, now see? Simple example is my website only. In my website background, did I give two backgrounds? Did I give two backgrounds? No. In my background, right side violet color is there. Can you see that? When I scroll, can you see that violet color is moving? ऊपर वाला white हो गया. But interesting fact is, sir, did I give two? Did I give something like scrolling? No. Actually, I make the background fixed. When you make your background fixed, when you are scrolling the page, people will think it like the background is moving. But interesting point is we are making the website move. Is it clear? Okay. That will give you cool effect, sir. Anyway. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, can you hear me, ma? Is it clear till now? Are they there? Yes. Please respond, sir. Text align center, font size 2em. Next. Next. They are having display flux. In the about description, font size 1.5 em, text justify, text align justify. Okay. And font, oh, this is a class name. Font opacity, some kind of, you can make it opacity or something lightness I want. Already they are in side by side only, na? అవుట్పుట్ సైడ్ ఎందుకు పెట్టట్లేదంటే అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ కీపింగ్ ద అవుట్పుట్ సైడ్ బై సైడ్ బికాస్ యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వెబ్ డిజైన్ ఇఫ్ యూ డూ దట్. See, when I explain you Chota properties, I will keep it side by side. When you do real website, never keep it side by side. If you keep it a side by side, you will not understand in website how much, in mobile how much. See it separately. Use the tabs to see it separately. That is the best way. Are you getting my point, ma? You will get confused, obviously. Then, sir, some gap is there. How much I give, get the gap will be there. Cover the gap. What I will do in this div to cover the gap, what I will do is in this div, I will just write one more div with the details name inside this. I will write two divs. One is for strengths, one is for my education. Any doubts, ma? No? H3 class Class details title education. Now here my education is strong. Check 20 UK 2017. Then let's go here. BTech JNTU K 2014. Then next, you can mention it however you want. Obviously, intermediate Sri Chaitanya 2010. This is a last minus 2008. Next one, strengths. Same title I will give it here in a strength way. Strengths. Inside the strengths, sir, I will give something like the paragraphs. Adaptability. You give whatever the lies you have. Decision making skills. Paragraph. Any more? Leadership skills. Very good. Any more, Laima? One more. That's it only. Adaptable to environment. Paragraph. Team player. I don't know what play I did. Now let's go. Now they are coming one after the another. I don't like it. I want them side by side. I just do it for to fill the gap. Both are inside the details. Go to the details. And I think you all know what to do. In the details, what you will give, ma? How do you make them side by side? Perfect. Display flux. And also, inside this details, whatever the div is there, this divs, both the divs, give it here some border, 1 pixel, solid, white, white, box shadow, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, pixel, white. No need of border. Let's give border radius then. 20 pixel. Padding, 20 pixel. Border is only better instead of box shadow. Border, border, 1 pixel, solid, white. Gap between the items, megapixel, margin top. Not great actually. Later we will think about, last we will think about how to make it something kind of look 3D. Okay. Now, but you got my idea, right? Yeah. Now next, project, sir. Okay. Better every section keep some kind of padding to the top and right. Padding top and right. 50 pixel. Now next one, sir. Next one, sir. Projects. Go here. Projects. Sir, we did till now. We did till now about section and flux boxes. Mostly we did flux box. Now we are about to do grid. Projects we will do grid only na. I wanted something like this. Like this projects I wanted to show. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? No. HR. You can give line. If you wanted line, HR tag. You can give width and height for a HR tag. I am not giving any line because for me these titles are there na. Titles are not there. You can give it a line to make it more look. And it's up to you how you want your design to be. Okay. Now next one, sir. Next one. ID projects. Projects. Inside this project, I'm gonna do one project. Inside one project, I'm gonna give IMG. IMG. Any doubt, sir? No. Now I'm gonna give here some nice image. Now this is what comes to the people. Most of the people don't know exactly what kind of images they wanna give, what kind of projects they have to give. You don't need to create it any big projects, ma. 90% of the time in YouTube, 90% of the time in GitHub and all, you will have projects. Try to take it the projects, download the projects, change the projects, and then upload it again in your GitHub so that you will get a new projects. Is it clear? Now, for the reference, I'm just going it here. I will just go here. I will just say e-commerce, React, GitHub. And if I type it here, I will get it here in GitHub so many. I will open one. Okay, this guy did not give any link. Chhod do. Paste. Some people will give a link also. Demo link some people will give. No. See, someone gave the link. Click on this link. See, someone did this site. So now I will just go on here. I will just copy it here. I'll just take a screenshot. You getting my point, ma? See, I know that you don't know React. I know that you don't know much of the JavaScript. But I'm 100% sure if you download this project, if you run it in your local host, you can change the colors, you can change the gradients, you can change the images, right or not? Can you do that, ma? आराम से चेंज करो, इमेजेस चेंज करो, फॉन्ट्स चेंज करो, कलर्स चेंज करो, अपलोड करो, then you will learn slowly. Now, anyway, I have the sites. Go here, desktop, my name, full stack. There is nothing wrong in taking someone's, but don't claim it's 100% yours. This is not your project. If you copy it from someone, make a changes to it. For example, this guy added men, women, electronics, and jewelry. You think about it. Why don't I add any other thing? Why don't I make it look different? Why don't I change this design? Slowly, you will get it. I am not asking you to design from scratch. I am not saying you to copy from others. I am saying it, take it others and make it your own. That way you will become developer easy. Are you getting my point, ma? In reality, in company, you will do this work only. Most of the people will not tell you. If you see YouTube or if you see it some another courses, people will tell you to build from scratch. But interesting fact is when you join the company, company will not ask you to write hello world. Already project will be there. Company will not start the project because you came. Because the project is there, they will ask you to come. Are you getting my point, ma? See, imagine person like me who did it some 2 months work and made it everything messy and left the company. And you joined the company. Now you got my project. Tell me what is the first thing you need to do? No, you have to understand my code first, right? You have to understand and change it now. Right? If you don't know how to understand others' code, if you can't able to change others' code, नहीं होता वो biggest problem है. Are you getting my point, ma? If I ask you to build it from scratch, na, everyone can do it. Believe me, anyone can do it. But if you are taking someone's work and change it, na, proves you. Why? Because when you are making it one thing good, other thing will collapse. Take this side. Imagine you take someone's side, you make this side nice, that side will collapse. This side nice, this side. Now understanding that parts which are making them collapse will make you developer. If I ask you to build it something, you will build it easily. वो easy है. खुद से बनाओ everything easy. Is it clear, ma? Online, I hope I clear. Online, I hope I'm clear. Any questions online? Please let me know, ma, if you have any questions. / assets project, my project, and after the image is over, h3 title class project title. Now in the title, sir, let me give it here, e-commerce site, pro HR, e-commerce. Now understand this, ma. Most people, the problem is in their resume, when mentioning projects, people will mention it like e-commerce website, portfolio project. Oh, wrong here. Give it a name. For example, in my resume, I will write it flow chart. Then the HR will not understand. HR will be like, what is this flow chart? Or the TR, the technical round guy will be doubt. What is this flow chart? Then you will explain them. Flow chart एक अच्छा website है. इसमें e-commerce रहता. Like that. You got my point, na? When you directly say Amazon clone, oh, wrong है. Instead say it like Bamazon, your own name. कुछ भी, right? Never say those things in a direct way. Paragraph, lorem, 30, button, go live or live demo, projects. Now this is how your website is looking now. See, this much big it came. Do you want like that? No, obviously not. And it's up to you how you wanted your project. I want it in a simple manner. Projects, great, display, great, grid template columns, repeat, grid template columns, repeat, 3 comma, auto, repeat, 3 comma, auto, gap will be 20 pixel, gap will be 20 pixel. Next, um, padding 20 pixel. Any doubts sir in this? Now next, just a minute. Yeah. Now next go here. Oh, only one is there, na? This image is overlapping. No need of padding here. Padding I will give it inside the project, sir. Each project will be display flux, padding, flux direction colon, padding 20 pixel, and border radius 20 pixel. I just make it like column wise. Next image. Inside the each project, one image is there. You can give the size of the image exactly adjusted. You can say height of the image, height 100%, width 100%, object fit cover. Object fit will exactly make them fit into the solution. Object fit cover property will give if a div is having a fixed length. If the div is having a fixed length, object fit will make it fixed. Now next. Or yeah. Oh, see, let me screenshot. This is also keep very bad. Not a good. Go here. I will say this project, copy sir, paste, paste. Can you see it exactly fits? Automatically image exactly fits ma? Doubt sir? No. Each project sir, having background color. This is the property sir. Object fit. It will exactly background color white. Now, now some kind of gap between the items. Gap each one some 20 pixel. And this one Border radius also some 20 pixel. And this live demo button is coming full now. Sir, inside the project one button is there. That is live button, sir. But it is coming full, sir. This live button inside the project, whatever the button is there, which is coming full, just make it max width, or not max width only, max content. Max content means how much content is there, that much width. Doubt? No. Background color black, color white, padding 20 pixel. Border radius. Any doubts, ma? Sir, any doubts here? Can I increase the projects? See, every time I want you to give different images. That will make your website more look good. But for me, I'm giving it only three. Only same one I'm giving it. Due to the time constraint, I'm giving the same one, sir, and it's up to you how you wanna manage it. Any doubts here? Not bad site actually. Any doubts till now? No. Go down. Let's go to the online. If someone have doubts, please mention it in chat ma. Someone mention it. Project button, menu bar. What is the menu now? What is the difference here? Now dekho. Three differences. Let me tell you. Someone asked it. Let me explain it. These three things difference. Dekho. Inside the project, inside the class name project. This means, this line means inside class project, select the button. So select any button which is inside class project. That means, sir, it may be directly inside the project. Maybe inside the project one div is there. Inside that another div is there. Or inside that button is also there. It will select. Space means descendant. It will select any of its children. Children or grandchildren, kuch bhi. But second one, second one, this second one means inside the class project, select the button which is direct child, direct child of class project. Same thing. Inside menu, select class now. Any doubts in this? Online, someone asked this question to the online, whoever asked it, does anyone have? Is it clear, ma? Oh, good, sir. Next one, sir. I hope all are getting it. Last one, contact. Let's put a contact quickly, sir. And then we'll finish it up. 2 minutes. Contact form. Contact will be a form, sir. You all know that. Form tag. Inside the form tag, input elements, input asterisk to input type equals to text, input type equals to password. Oh, sorry, email. Then input type equals to, instead of input type, put text area, which is normal text area. Next, sir. What more I have to give? Placeholder. Enter the name, placeholder. Enter the email, placeholder. Enter the message. And button, contact us, send a message. Now, what more I can give? Required. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? If you want any more validation for email, regular expression, you can try it up. Okay. Now, but it is not looking good, obviously. To make it look good, sir, I will go here, contact, and I will go here for this form. What is not looking good? Because they are coming side by side. Why? Can anyone guess me why they are coming side by side? Inline element. They are inline elements. So I will go here. I will say for this whole form, class contact form. Display flux direction colon. Very good, sir. And gap some 20 pixel. Now can anyone guess the problem? It is so much. So just decrease, and the height is so small. Okay. So let's give a specific height here. Width I will give it here. The max width will be somewhat 40 VW, and margin auto, and height for each input elements, all input elements, and text area both will have height 50 pixel. Border radius, okay, text area छोड़ दो, text area separately लिखूंगी. Border radius 20 pixel. Why margin auto? Margin auto is used so that left and right will be automatically adjusted. Okay. Margin auto, if a parent is having a specific width, and inside that a child wants to be exactly horizontally centered, then if a child says margin auto, automatically it will have left and right automatic margin. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Next one, sir. Border radius 20 pixel. I gave it. And text area also. Text area will be somewhat bigger than the normal one. Text area will be somewhat bigger than the normal one. So that the height will be 100 or 150 pixel. And border radius, this is also something like 20 pixel only. And Once border radius is 20 pixel, I will say resize none. Sir, there is one property resize none only for text area. What does it mean? If you go here in your website, it's looking nice, but when you see, you can resize it. Is it looking good resizing? Will people like it resizing? No, you don't want someone to change your website. तो ये resize none करे तो ये fix हो जाता. You cannot change it now. Doubts? Inside the contact form, button is there. Now that button will have same way background color black color. Sir, in good design, good designers never give direct black. I'm a bad designer. Never give direct black. Okay? Because direct black will be too bright to the eyes. Not give good impact. Black variations रहता. Cold black, kind of, shady black, kind of moody black. Different blacks will be there. Go with that. Pitch black. You know that, right? 100% pure black is not good. White. What radius? Very big. Width, max content. Padding, left and right, top and bottom. Top and bottom, left and right. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? No. Inside them placeholders also you can change by using some kind of pseudo attributes. What is remaining, sir? Footer, footer of the website, background black, background color, 100% white I will give this time, kind of to give difference. Just to give a different one, I'm giving it. Color black, padding, top and bottom 50 pixel, text align, center. What does it mean by footer? Someone is asking. Sir, see this? In your website, footer is there, na? Every website footer will be there, na? देखो ऐसा. Doubts? Doubts ma online? Footer means the last section, basically. Margin top 20 pixel. Now, you go to my website. You go it here now. If you click on this about is coming. If you click on skills is coming. Because you did not link only. You go to this website. Go to the top. Go to header. Inside the nav bar, you gave this. Write it here, reference. That means hash. When you click on about, where you wanted to go, do you want to go any another page, ma? No, in the same page. In the same page, if you want to give, you will give reference where you want to go. Reference always given by IDs. Reference always given by, if anyone clicks on about, go to the section with ID about. If anyone click, that's why I name that all same names. If anyone click on skills, go to the ID skills. If anyone click on projects, go to the ID projects. If anyone click on this contact, go to the ID contact. uh, Quotations. Contact. Now you go here, go to this website, click on about ma. See about Kim. But did you see the problem? It is coming quickly, right or not? Do I want it quickly? No, I don't want it quickly. So to make it nice, you will go here, give it a property. You can give one property, scroll behavior. What is that? Smooth. Oh, it is applying to only body. I will give it an asterisk. It will apply to all. Scroll behavior to smooth. Doubt, doubt, sir. Hey, skills, why it is not going to ID skills? Because there is no ID skills only. Very bad. So I have to remove that. I will remove it. Huh? Projects here na? Oh, project. I'm removing it ma. Contacts. कोई doubt है sir? Online any doubts in this? Online any doubts in this? Online any doubts? No. Good. Good. Sir, is it 100% responsive? Inspect. Guys, did you remember you made it only header as responsive? Did you made this sections responsive? No, na? Your website should be responsive, na? If not, what is the user? And quickly, to make it responsive, go to the last section. Go to this last section. I will say this somewhere. Here is the header. First header को transparent remove करो because unnecessarily it will be. Now go here. देखो. This is for mobiles. This is for mobiles and landscape with the tablets. This is for the tab. And I did for only mobile. Only for the header. Next header के बाद banner रहता. In banner, what you will have left and right. So that left and right, I will use flux direction column. You can use colon or colon reverse. If you use colon reverse, that image will come first and then the matter. And it's up to you how you want to manage. And I will say line items. I will say line items. Yeah, line item center. So they will be horizontally centered. If I go here, inspect. What the hell? Why the header is mixing it with? Why this particular banner is going to the top? Did I said header fixed? No. Why header is testing with it? go here, header, banner, कुछ हुआ इधर. At the top and bottom also padding is there. अच्छा है. Then where exactly is mismatching? We'll see. After the banner, sir, about section, about section also, flux direction, column only. Okay. So in about section, you have an image left side and right side you have data. In that data, again you have something called the details. The details also will have something called flux direction column and having a gap about some 20 pixel. Here also something gap. See how much easy it will become to make it responsive if something flux or grid is there. If it is not flux or grid, it will become too much for you. Same thing, how about projects? In projects, you put it 3 columns, right? 3 columns are there. Now here, in this, I will say, repeat 1 comma 1 FR. So now one column only will be there per row. That is what the mobile phones, right? Now, same logics, I will even apply it in the tablet and tab. Same thing will apply where I can change it. This one, same thing I can use here, but in this case, I can use something different. I can say 2FR. I don't need to say details. Yeah. Hmm? Heading के pad, heading के padding top వల్ల వస్తుందంటావా? Padding top లేకపోయినా వస్తుంది కదా. హెడ్డింగ్ కాదు ప్రాబ్లం. ఈ సెక్షనే మీదకి వస్తుంది. ఈ సెక్షన్ నిజానికి ఎక్కడ వరకే ఉండాలి. ఆ సెక్షన్ పైకి వస్తుంది. అది ప్రాబ్లం. ప్యాడింగ్ దానికి కూడా ప్యాడింగ్ ఇమ్మంటావా? ఉందిగా ఎవ్రీ సెక్షన్ కి ప్యాడింగ్ ఇచ్చి సెక్షన్ బేసికలీ సెక్షన్స్ కి ప్యాడింగ్. మీడియాలో ఇమ్మంటావా? ఇదిగో ప్యాడింగ్ మార్జిన్ అది. ఇగో మీడియా సంథింగ్ ప్యాడింగ్ టాప్ అండ్ బాటమ్ 200 పిక్సెల్ ఆర్ మార్జిన్ టాప్ 200 పిక్సెల్. And I need to adjust not only this thing, sir. Guys, I need to adjust the font sizes also. This is 4 rem. 4 rem is not good in mobiles. Font size should be not 4 rem. It should be something like 2 rem. Dot left. H1. Font size 2 rem. Just check it on the asthma, but except that remaining all are not bad. Everything, but these things are not having paddings, right? I can give all sections to have, all sections to have left and right, some padding, top and bottom, left and right, some 20 pixel padding. That is enough. No, actually, this is not bad in mobile. All I want is only first section is changing it, sir. If the first section you can fix it, almost your site is ready for the mobiles. Any doubt, sir? Try it as a work, sir. Any doubts? Now, sir, I did not put any kind of hovering effects. Okay. You can try nice hovering effects or animations. Okay. To make your site more and more better, sir. I can even try some kind of nice hovering effects. Anchor tag, hover. Whenever I hover, I will say cursor, something like pointer, hover, after. Now, now what is this after is I wanted some kind of line. Whenever you click on it, whenever you put your mouse on it, I wanted some kind of line. I will say li anchor, anchor. Let's go here. Sir, I tried a clone website. Tata Click using responsive of all designs. Can you do so see a design for it? I will see it, ma. Don't worry. Now let's go here. Something, some content, initial content. I will say position, absolute, absolute, left 0 pixel, border, right 2 pixel, width 100%, bottom -2 pixel. Now pseudo elements are very important. Using these things, you can actually make it something really cool logic. You can make it background color, something kind of this, or border, border, border radius 10 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 0 0. Transition all 0.3 is enough. It's not visible. Why? I can use text decoration also actually, but Now see, when I go here, it is changing to pointer, okay. But whenever I hover on it, and after that, it should change this now. No. Huh? No, anchor tag is under the LI only now. My logic is when you hover on it, after the element, I wanted something to come, like an underline only I can give. I can use text decoration, but I just want it like, something like a curve like this whenever I hover. Without after it will come 100%. कुछ नहीं होता उसमें. If I go here, text decoration, 2 pixel, solid, not solid, wavy, maybe आप underline. If I give it here, Control X, LI, asterisk A, 0 pixel. Very easy है getting this. But I thought it to bring it something in another logic. Using that after you can make it some kind of nice effects. Like when you hover on it, you can make something like this, or you make it underlines like this. Those kind of curvatures and all you can do it. Okay. Just to practice those things, ma. Hovering effects and all. I am giving this website. Okay. But this one you can make it more better by using more your logics. Tomorrow we will discuss something like libraries. Okay. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will discuss something like Bootstrap and basic libraries. And Saturday we will discuss SCSS. With the Saturday's SCSS, complete CSS will be done into the higher level. Monday onwards we'll discuss JavaScript. But before that, by Monday, I want everyone to create their beautiful portfolios. Online, someone did their cloth store. They copied it from a clone. Nice it is actually. They cloned the complete Tata Click. Let me show you the original site. It's looking so good actually. They used grades. It is single page one, nice. It is responsive also, they said. Really loved it actually. Clothingcart.netlify. Really loved it. About shop. You can try it. These things. See, all he has to do is change the images. Then he can make it like his own only, right? If the images were not the same, you guys will not find it out now. This one looks cool. And if you remember, one day we did it, the starter click categories, right? And he did it everything. And he put it something hovering effect with a small scale. And whenever you're going, cursor is changing to pointer. Just now I showed you. Smooth scale. Please try something like this, cool ma, so that when you show to the people, they will also feel it like, yes, some work is done. If you did some nice heading and paragraph and say it like it's a website is over, I can't do anything. Okay. Now the world is changing. You need to make it bigger things. Okay. That's it for today, ma. Thank you all. Just try it. Online, if anyone have doubts, you can let me know. Someone is asking it to explain pseudo elements one more time. Tomorrow I will just give a quick revision. Don't worry. Yeah. Any doubts, sir, online? Online any doubts? No. Sir, I am uploading all of this to GitHub. You don't need to do everything from scratch. Take my code and change it. Okay. Take my code and change it, sir. No need to do everything from scratch, ma. You can take it my code from GitHub, sir. This is how I changed it now. Your wish. Thank you, sir. I pushed it, sir. You can see that actually. Bengala.